Okay, so welcome to all of you. Now we'll revise the second chapter of the linear algebra, that is the vector space. Okay, so we'll define the vector space. First, we will see what do we mean by a vector space. Okay, so suppose V is an arbitrary non-empty set of objects for which two operations are defined: vector addition and scalar multiplication. So two operations are already defined there. So that is what plus and dot. This is plus and dot. That means how to take the addition of the two vectors and how to multiply the scalar to the vector. So these two operations are provided to you. Okay. So under that operation, when we say that V is the vector space. Okay. So if for any u bar v bar belongs to V, so u bar plus v bar belongs to V. That means V is closed with respect to addition. So V is closed with respect to addition means what? Take any two vector from V, its addition is also in the V. For any two vector, we take any two vector from V, show that or if u bar plus v bar will addition is in the V, then V is said to be a closed with respect to addition. So V should be the closed with respect to addition. Now then what here? U bar plus v bar is same as, okay, so okay, so this you may change this will be what? The third, and this will be you may interchange this second and third property. Okay, so u bar plus v bar is equal to v bar plus u bar, no problem for this one. Okay, so that means this is called a commutative law with respect to addition. This is called commutative law with respect to addition. U bar plus v bar is equal to v bar plus u bar. So this is called commutative law with respect to addition. Now this is K. This is any field now. This is K is any field. That means V is the vector space on the field M. Generally, we are taking the set of the real number. Generally, we are taking K as the set of the real number, and we want to see all the vector space over R. Okay, so that means we have to assume that your field is R. Okay, so K is the scalar and U bar is the vector in V. Okay, then this is the scalar multiplication. So then we say that V is the closed with respect to the scalar multiplication. When we say that V is the closed with respect to scalar multiplication for any scalar K and U bar belongs to V, K U bar is also a vector of V. So if this is happened, then we say that this is V closed with respect to the scalar multiplication. Okay. So now this is called associative law. U bar plus V bar plus. You can change the places of this one, places of the actually, you can change the places of the vector also. You can change the places of the bracket also. Here you have taken the addition of the last two vectors, and here what we have taken the addition of the first two vector, and then you have to add the third vector here. So these two additions is also same, and this is called associative law with respect to addition. This is called associative law with respect to addition. So there exists a zero vector in V. There exists zero vector in V such that if you add the zero vector in any vector, the vector will be as it is now. So it will not change. Okay. So that means u bar plus zero bar is equal to u bar. Suppose you want to find a zero vector. If you want to find a zero vector, so what you have to do? So you have to do this is what. Suppose u bar plus v bar is equal to u bar. You have to assume that u bar plus v bar is equal to v bar. So find out v bar now. Find out the v bar. So then v bar is what? Your zero vector. Find v bar such that u bar plus v bar is equal to u bar. So this is what zero. V bar will be what? Then v bar will be what? Zero vector. If you want a zero vector of the whatever the set is given to you, so you can find like this. Take any vector v bar in the V. Okay, in the form of V now here. So if this is happened, then you are saying that so your zero vector is exist. Okay, if such vector so this vector should exist. This is the condition also. Okay. Then the next condition is what? For any u bar, there exists a negative vector, and this is zero bar is called additive identity. Zero bar is called additive identity, and this is what? For any vector u bar, there is a negative vector u bar such that u bar plus minus u bar is same as zero bar. That means this is additive identity. So that means if you want to find a inverse of this one, what you have to do? So u bar plus v bar is equal to u bar. U bar plus v bar is equal to additive identity, that is zero bar. Okay, so you have to take the identity. Whatever the identity, this is zero bar means this does not imply that all components are zero or everything is zero. Zero bar is what? This one may be a zero vector. One may be a zero vector. Note that. Okay, so zero vector means what? U bar plus u bar. U bar plus 1 is equal to u bar. So then 1 is called a zero vector. So the zero vector means not zero. Okay. So this will be play the role of the zero vector also. 1 also play the role of the zero vector in some cases. Okay, so if you want to find the additive inverse, this is minus u bar is called additive inverse. So if you want to find additive inverse, take your v bar is like this, u bar plus v bar is equal to zero vector. If you know the zero vector of that space, you can take this one, you can find a additive inverse of this one. So minus u bar is called additive inverse. Next, this is what this k u bar, this is called distributive law. This is called distributive law of the vector, and this is called distributive law of the scalar. So k into u bar plus v bar is same as k u bar plus k u bar. K plus L, K and L are scalar. So K u bar plus L u bar. Then KL into u bar is KL into u bar, and 1 into u bar. So see that this property is very obvious actually, but this is not obvious now. 1 into u bar is not. There are some cases such way that all the 9 axioms are hold, but the last axiom is not hold. So note that, don't say this is what obvious. 1 into u bar is u bar. This is look like as obvious, but it is not obvious. There are the cases such that all the 9 axioms are hold, but the last axiom is not hold. So V will not be a vector space then. Okay, if any one of this is failed, then that will be not a vector space. So all should these are the 10 axioms. So all 10 axioms should hold for V. If all 10 axioms should hold for V, then V will be the vector space. Otherwise, V will not be the vector space. Okay. So now we'll see some examples of the vector space. So note that this is what 0 bar, this 0 bar is unique. Then this is what minus u bar is a negative vector. This also unique. This also unique. There does not exist v1 bar and v2 bar such that what u bar plus v1 bar is equal to 0 bar, or u bar plus v2 bar is equal to 0 bar. This will not be the happen. Okay. So this v1 bar, that means this negative vector is always unique. 0 vector is always unique. Note that. Suppose V is equal to R2. V is equal to R2 like this. So this is what xy belongs to R. So that means what this is, and the vector addition is defined like this, what x1 y1 v bar is equal to x2 y2. Okay. So u bar plus v bar is equal to x1 plus x2 y1 plus y2. This is called usual addition, and scalar multiplication is what kx1 ky1. Okay, so this is called usual addition and usual multiplication. If usual addition and usual multiplication, so suppose the addition and multiplication is not given, that means you have to assume that the addition is usual, addition scalar multiplication also usual. Okay, so you will say that V is a vector space. V is a vector space. V is a vector space. Under this, that means what? This is what V plus dot. That means plus is given what is a vector space. This is called a vector space. Okay, so it is a vector space, and it is called Euclidean vector space. So if addition it is in R2 or Rn. So suppose if V is equal to Rn, then suppose V is equal to Rn. So Rn is what? X1, x2 dot dot dot. It has n components, and all xi belong to R. I is equal to 1 to dot 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 n. Okay, so your addition is what? U bar plus v bar is same as what? X1 plus y1, x2 plus y2 dot 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 xn plus yn. Okay, so k u bar is same as what? Kx1, kx2 dot 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 kxn. Okay. So this is what usual addition. This is the usual scalar multiplication. Okay. So this is called this is a vector space. This is a vector space over R, and this is also called Euclidean vector space. This is called Euclidean vector space for any value of n. N is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, and usual addition and scalar multiplication. That is called a Euclidean vector space. So you can see all the properties are hold. We are not proving that all properties are hold here. So just we are revising this. Okay. So suppose this Pt is a polynomial, is a set of polynomial of degree less than or equal to n or equal to n. Okay, do we denote this by Pn of this? Okay, so it's a vector space under usual addition and scalar multiplication. Okay, under usual addition. So usual addition means what? Suppose your u bar is a naught plus a1x plus a2x square plus dot 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 plus dot dot dot, whatever the degree may be. Okay, so u bar is equal to b naught plus b1x plus b2x square plus dot dot dot. How to take the usual addition means what? You have to have constant coefficient of x. So this is what? A naught plus b naught, a1 plus b1 x plus a2 plus b2 x plus dot dot dot. Okay, and the scalar multiplication is what? K a naught plus k a1 x plus k a2 x square dot dot dot. This is the usual addition and scalar multiplication. Okay, so V the vector space. V is the vector space. V is vector space means the Pn is the vector space. Similarly for matrices, you know how to take the addition of the matrices. If you are adding usual addition, that means what? You have to add the corresponding entry to corresponding entry. That means ijth entry to ijth entry. That is, so a plus b. How to take a plus b? Ijth entry of a plus ijth entry of b. And scalar multiplication means what? You have to multiply to all the elements of a. Okay. So km is what? You have to multiply by k to all each and every entry of the a. So that is the usual scalar multiplication. So that is also vector space. For matrices. So order is unimportant here. So any order m by n. Okay. So if m by n is the set of all matrices with usual addition and multiplication, then it is the vector space. Okay. So one important point is what? V is equal to set of rational number, set of real number, and this is a complex number. Are vector spaces over R, over Q, not R, over Q. So under usual addition and scalar multiplication. Okay. Now, if you suppose V is equal to R2, this is what? XY belong to okay, no need actually here R2, such that XY belong to R. Okay. So U bar is equal to U1, U2, V bar is equal to V1, V2. Okay. So U bar plus V bar is equal to U1 plus V1, U2 plus V2, and KU bar is defined as KU1 0. Okay. So now here the problem is that whether it is a vector space. So now see, this addition is the scalar. Addition is usual. So that means what here? If addition is usual, then your first 6 axioms are already exist. Okay. So you have to check only the scalar multiplication. If addition is usual, automatically your first, because what? This is R2. Automatically your first 6 axioms are whole. So don't check for the axiom, first 6 axioms. So that means after the negative vector. So check only for the scalar multiplication. So the 7th is what? K into U bar plus V bar. Then K plus L U bar, then KL U bar, something like this, and 1 into U bar. Check only these 4 axioms if your scalar multiplication is not usual. Here what? Your scalar multiplication is not usual. Okay. So one easiest way is what? This is the easiest. Okay. So 1 into U bar is same as what? U1 bar 0. So what here? U bar is same as what then? U1 bar 0. Oh, not U1 bar here. Components are not a vector. Okay. So this is U1 0. So your U bar is what? Your u bar is u1, 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 u2. So here not equal. So that means what? This u bar is not equal to u bar. That means what? 1 into u bar is not equal to u bar. Is not equal to u bar. So therefore this last axiom hold not hold. So V is not a vector space. So note that this such a type of the operation is there. So it will not a vector space. Note that. So within a minute you have to take a decision whether this is a vector space or not. Okay, such type of one, okay, second component 0, just check 1 into u bar is u bar or not. Okay, so if 1 into u bar is not u bar, then it will not a vector space. Okay, so this is the simplest way for scalar multiplication. If so note that 1 into u bar is equal to u bar. Okay, so don't assume that this is the vector space then. Okay, you have to check the other 9 property. Okay, so there are also cases 1 into u bar, but V is not a vector space. Okay, so now next is what? V is equal to x belongs to R such that x is positive, strictly greater than 0, not equal to 0. It is what? Strictly greater than 0, and the operations are defined like this. So kx is equal to x to the power k. X to the power k. Then this is the vector space. Note that. This is a vector space. So all property, all axioms are hold for this one. This is a vector space. But if you do here x is greater than or equal to 0, then it will not a vector space, because 0 has no negative element. Because 0 has no additive inverse. 0 has no additive inverse. 0 has no additive inverse. That means what? Negative vector of u0 do not exist here. Okay, so remember this. If it is greater than or equal to 0, it is not a vector space under this operation. If it is strictly greater than 0, then it will be this. And what is your 0 vector? If you want to find a 0 vector for this one, so 0 vector means what? X plus y is equal to x. X plus y is equal to x. So that means what? X plus y is what? Xy into x. That means what? Y is equal to 1. So 1 is the 0 vector here. 1 is the 0 vector. Okay. So 1 is a 0 vector here. And if you want to find the additive inverse, so if y is additive inverse, then what? X plus y is equal to additive identity. Your additive identity is 1. Your identity. So xy, it means what? X into y is equal to 1. So y is equal to 1 upon x. So that means what? If x is belong to V, then 1 upon x is also in V, because what? X is real number. Your x is greater than 0. X not equal to 0. 1 upon x is exist, and such way that see x plus 1 upon x. So this is what? X into 1 upon x. So this is 1, right? So this is the additive identity, right? So that means what? Additive inverse of x is here what? 1 by x. Note that for this operation your additive inverse is 1 by x, and your additive identity is 1. Okay, so this also you should remember. Suppose V is equal to R3. Now you have the know the meaning of the R3 now. Okay, so now your x, y, z plus x prime, y prime, z prime is equal to x plus x prime, y plus y prime, z plus z prime. Okay, and k into x, y, z is same as kx, y, z. This is operation defined. Okay, now this is what? Addition is usual, so don't check for the first 6. Okay, so what we will check? K u bar. Okay, so k u bar plus v bar. So this is what? K into what is u bar plus v bar? U bar plus v bar is this: x plus x prime, y plus y prime, z plus z prime. Okay, so now you are multiplying. This is what? Kx plus kx prime, y plus y prime, z plus z prime. Okay, so you can separate this. This is what? Kx y z plus kx prime y y prime z prime. Okay, so this is your what? K u bar plus k u bar. No problem for this one. So this is whole. Right? Distributive law or vector adding distributive law or vector. It is whole. But what about k plus l then? K plus l. Okay. So k plus l u bar. Okay. So we'll take k plus u bar. Is what? K plus l. K plus l x. K plus l x. Okay. So here what then? Y and z. So this is what then? K x plus l x y z. Okay. Now what is then? K u bar plus l u bar. So k u bar means what? K x y z. So l u bar means what? L x y z. So if you take the addition, so what is this? L x twice y twice z, and this is what here? What is k plus l u bar? L x plus kx plus lx yz. And what is kl plus u bar? So this is l. So this is not same as k plus l u bar, right? So this is distributive law over the scalar multiplication. It do not hold. So this V is not a vector space. So such type of operation is there, then it is not a vector space. Which property fell? So this property fell. K plus l u bar is not same as k u bar plus l u bar. So note that. We are revising each and everything here. Just we are revising this. Okay. Now suppose u bar plus v bar. So v is equal to r3. Suppose v is equal to r3, and the operations are defined: x plus x bar, y plus y bar, z plus z prime. Okay, and k u bar is equal to 0 0 0. Is 0 0. So here you see that all the axioms are whole here, but except what? 1 into u bar is not same as u bar. This is not whole, because 1 into u bar is what? 0 0. So 1 into u bar is not same as u bar. So this is what? So under this operation, P is not a vector space. Okay. So remember that. Suppose your operation is like that for the scalar multiplication for this. Okay. So k u bar is same as what? Twice k x, twice k y, twice k z. Suppose. So here there is twice. So it is not a vector space. Note that. It is not a vector space, because again 1 into u bar is not same as u bar, because 1 into u bar is what? Twice x, twice y, twice. It is twice u bar. So 1 into u bar is not same as u bar. So this is not a vector space. Okay. So if x belongs to R and x is greater than 0, x is greater than 0. Okay, so no problem. Okay, no, we don't take this. Okay. Now suppose we have this u bar plus v bar is equal to x plus x prime plus 1, y plus y prime plus 1, k xy is equal to kx ky. Now see here, addition is not usual, but all the axioms of the addition, first 6 axioms are over here. So what is the negative vector? If you want to find a negative vector, so what is that? You want to find a 0 vector. Okay. So so u bar plus v bar is equal to u bar you want, right? So that means what? This is u bar plus v bar is same as u bar means what? X y. You want x y. That means what here? X plus x prime plus 1 is equal to x. Y plus y prime plus 1y is equal to y. So x's get cancelled. So x prime is equal to minus 1. Y prime is equal to minus 1. Right? So that means what here? Minus 1 is your 0 bar. Is your 0 vector. So this is 0. So check now. This is what? You can check this. What? U bar plus 0 bar. So u bar plus 0 bar is what? Minus 1. So x minus 1 plus 1. So 1 get cancelled. So this is what? X minus 1 plus 1. Okay. So what here? Y minus 1 plus 1. Your plus 1 and plus 1, these are the fixed. And these are your x prime. This is your y prime. So that means what here? your zero vector is what? Minus 1, minus 1. And negative vector, if you want a negative vector of u bar. So negative vector means what? So negative vector means what? U bar plus v bar is equal to 0 bar. And your 0 bar is what here? Minus 1 is the 0 vector. So what is that? This is what? X plus x prime plus 1, y plus y prime plus 1 is equal to minus 1, minus 1. Minus 1. Okay. So that means what here? X prime. You want this v bar in terms of u bar now. So that means u bar is in terms of x bar. You want v bar also in terms of x. Okay. So x plus x prime plus 1 is equal to minus 1. Y plus y prime plus 1 is equal to minus 1. That means x prime is equal to what? X minus 2. Y prime is equal to y minus 2. Okay. So you can check this. Whether we get minus 1 or not. Okay, how we can do this one? See, this is what? U bar plus v bar. That means what? U bar is u bar plus v bar. V bar is what? X minus 2, y minus 2. Okay, so you have to take the addition of the first two components. So this is what here? X, y. Addition of the first two components is what? X plus x minus 2. And you have to add the plus 1. Then what? Addition of the second component. Minus 2. This is the addition of the second component. Then plus 1. Okay. Now see that here xx is twice x. So you want minus 1. Oh, here minus. Okay. Minus. Okay. So here minus. Okay. Here minus. Okay. Your x get cancelled. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So this is what? Minus 1. So that means what? This is your negative vector. Okay. So that means if your xy is the vector, then its negative vector is what? Minus x minus 2 minus y minus 2 is the negative vector. That means what? If this is u bar, then your minus u bar is this. Minus u bar is what? Minus x minus 2 for this one. Okay. Remember that. Also, this is not a vector space. You can check that. Okay. So that is so k into u bar plus v bar is not equal to, so k u bar plus k v bar. Note that if such type of operation is there, then this also property is not hold here. Okay. So this is not equal to k u bar plus l k u bar plus n u bar. This property, these two properties are not, two axioms are not hold. So therefore this is not a vector space. Although all the axioms are hold, but these two axioms are not hold. So this is not a vector space. Now suppose this is given v is equal to r2 and your u bar plus v bar is equal to x prime y prime. That means where product is taken here. Bar is equal to kx ky. Okay. So this is not a vector space. Because what here? So k u bar plus v bar, you can check, not equal to k u bar plus k v bar. Also this is also not hold here. So k u bar plus u bar. Okay. But my problem is that this is not vector space, because your addition is what? Addition here there is a product. So 101% it is not a vector space, because addition is the given in terms of product now here, and scalar multiplication is usual now. Okay. This is not vector space because these two items. So my problem is that what is the zero vector and what is the minus u bar. That means I want to find a zero vector and a negative vector. Okay. So we find a zero vector and negative vector. So this is what? U bar plus v bar is equal to u bar now. You want to find v bar such that u bar plus v bar is equal to u bar. Okay. So that means what is u bar plus v bar? X prime y prime is equal to xy. Your u bar is xy. So that means what? X prime is equal to x, y prime is equal to y. So this is what? X prime, when this is equal, when x prime is equal to 1. When this is equal, Okay, when this is equal, when y prime is equal to 1, don't cancel y. This is what y not cancel. When this is happen, for what value of x prime, this is y. What value of y prime? This y prime is y. So value of y prime is 1. Okay. So this does not imply that you have cancelled this and you got the value of this. This is not a meaning. Okay. So that means what here 0 bar is same as what then? 1 1 is your 0 vector. Here what? 1 1 is a 0 vector. So if you got the 1 1 is a 0 vector, then you want to find a negative vector now. So what? How to find a negative vector means what? U bar plus v bar is equal to 0 bar. So that is what? 1 1. I want to find this v bar. Okay, I want to find x prime y prime in terms of x and y. Okay, so this is what then x prime y prime, because operation is given to you. This is 1 1. So this is what then x prime is equal to 1, y prime is equal to 1. So this is what then x prime is equal to 1 upon x, y prime is equal to 1 upon y. So see that here you can also say that this is 0 0 belongs to B. 0 0 belongs to B. This is the member of the V. It has no negative elements, because your what? 1 upon 0 does not exist. So that means what? This 0 0 have no negative element, and have no additive inverse, So that means this is not a vector space. And if suppose this your x prime y prime are not 0, this is not 0 vector. Suppose this is what non-zero vector, and for non-zero vectors this is what your 1 upon x 1 upon y, 1 upon x 1 upon y, except the 0 vector. Now not only the 0 vector means what? One of the component, not like this what? So these such 0 y, okay, 0 y, such type of the vector do not have the negative elements. So these are infinitely many vectors like this. Okay, they don't have the negative elements. So this is not a vector space. Okay, so remember that. Okay, now we'll check. We'll write some cases and just we'll discuss only whether they are the vector space or not. Okay, so x plus x prime plus 2, y plus y prime plus 2, kxy is equal to kx ky. Then xy plus x prime y prime is equal to mod of x plus x prime mod of y plus y prime. Kxy is equal to mod of kx mod of ky. I am writing the example and I will discuss whether they are the vector spaces or not. Okay, so then xy x prime y prime is equal to x plus twice x prime 3y plus y prime, kxy is equal to 0 ky. xyz is plus x prime y prime z prime is equal to x plus x prime y plus y prime z plus z prime. kxyz is equal to 0 0 ky kz. xyz plus x prime y prime z prime is equal to x plus x prime y plus y prime z plus z prime. kxyz is equal to k square x k square y k square z. Okay, just we will discuss which of these are vector space. Okay, now here what? Plus 2 is there. Okay, so plus 2 is there. So this is not a vector space because what here first it is added here. So it is not a vector space. You can check here. So if mod is there, sin is there, log is there, other function is attached, this is not a vector space. This is also be 0 because 1 into xy is not same as xy. So this is not a vector space. So same thing here. The last exam do not go here. This is also not exam. If k square is there, okay. So mod of k is there, something like this. So that will not a vector space. So here what? None of these is a vector space. None of these is a vector space. So here what? For this one, your scalar problem. So k u bar plus v bar and k plus l u bar. So this exam do not hold for the first one, and for other one it is easy now here. So 1 into this is not easy. Here also you can check the 1 into u bar is same as u bar, no problem for this one. But properties like this is what k into u bar plus v bar is equal to k u bar plus v bar, that is not hold here. Addition is the usual, so no problem for adding for first 6 exam. So only the last this is what k into u bar plus v bar is equal to k u bar plus k v bar, and k plus l u bar is same as k l bar, k u bar plus l u bar. This exam do not hold here also. So this is not a, all these are not a vector spaces. Okay. So for example, we will also take some examples. Suppose we are given this example, xy plus x prime y prime, x prime plus y prime, x plus x prime, y plus y prime, and kxy is equal to kx ky. Okay, this addition is usual, so therefore it is a vector space. This is the vector space. Addition is usual, cannot-matic is usual. This is the vector space. Okay, so just see all the examples of the vector space here. Okay, see all the examples of the vector space. Okay, so vector space is part is clear to you. Okay, so vector space is the part is clear to you. Okay, so now we stop here. Thank you.